Oh man, we're in for a good one. I know you clicked on the thumbnail and you're wondering the same thing I was. What the heck does Bob Ross have to do with Mountain Dew? Well, I'll let you know. You see, when I do videos on this channel, I sometimes go above and beyond and do a little bit of research on Google Trends. I typed in Bob Ross's name, and one search query came back that was super strong, and that was Bob Ross, Mountain Dew. And I wanted to know why. You see, I don't have TV, so I missed out on a commercial featuring Bob Ross and Mountain Dew. And you know what? It's an awesome commercial. I recommend you check it out. In fact, I'm even gonna link it down below. But when I went to go watch the commercial, I found something else. There is a full-on tutorial that shows you how to paint the landscape that Bob is doing in that commercial with Bob. And then right around the 27-minute mark, you actually get this faux Bob. We'll call him Rob Boss, if you will, that teaches you how to actually paint a Mountain Dew bottle in the middle of a landscape. And it is so awesome, so great, and it's a step-by-step tutorial. This artist is fantastic, and I wish the Bob Ross Company would do more of these because it'd be so much fun to paint a landscape and put, I don't know, something in like a Pokemon or something from, pop culture or movie culture. It was a fantastic tutorial, and I basically wanted to make you aware of this. I'm gonna do you a favor and put a link down to the commercial and the step-by-step tutorial of how to paint a Mountain Dew bottle inside a Bob Ross wet on wet landscape. It's something that's super fun that I recommend you check out just for the very notion of it's something different out there that I haven't seen too many artists do. And it's great. It's a fun little video. I'm not the biggest Mountain Dew fan by any stretch of imagination, but I recommend you check it out. It's super fun. And hey, you may even give it a shot because it's a full-on step-by-step tutorial. Just wanted to make you aware of it. Just a fun little video. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. And if you want any easy tutorials by me, Wild, you can check out the videos over to my side. I'll check you all later. Take care and enjoy, your Mountain Dew. Peace.